Is it really good for you? Watch our video so we'll share our own experience. Watch till the end so you won't make any mistakes, and let's get started.
If you're considering MyFitnessPal for recipe import, here's my honest review after using it for about 6 months. Overall, the recipe import feature is one of the most useful parts of MyFitnessPal if you cook at home regularly. Instead of manually entering every ingredient one by one, you can import recipes from websites or build your own and automatically calculate calories and macros per serving. One of the biggest advantages is time saving. When it works properly, you can take a full recipe, add it into the app, and instantly get a full nutritional breakdown. This makes meal tracking much easier, especially if you cook the same meals repeatedly. Another thing I like is portion control. Once a recipe is saved, you can divide it into servings and track exactly how much you're eating. This is really helpful for staying consistent with calorie and macro goals over time. The integration with the rest of MyFitnessPal is also strong. Once a recipe is saved, it becomes part of your food library, so you can quickly log meals without rebuilding them every time. However, there are some downsides. The biggest one is accuracy. Imported recipes are not always perfectly calculated, especially if the original website uses vague measurements or inconsistent ingredients. Sometimes you need to manually adjust values to make them more realistic. I also noticed that the import tool doesn't always work smoothly with every website. Some recipes require manual entry anyway, which can be a bit frustrating. Another thing to consider is that building a proper recipe database takes time up front. It's not difficult, but it does require effort at the beginning before you really see the benefits. After 6 months of use, I'd say MyFitnessPal recipe import is best for people who cook at home regularly and want to simplify long-term tracking. The key thing to watch before using it is accuracy. The feature is powerful, but you still need to double-check ingredients and serving sizes to make sure your tracking is reliable.